My name is Dr. Jennifer Lento, and I'm a research scientist at the University of New Brunswick in Eastern Canada. I'm also a fellow of the Canadian Rivers Institute, and I am the science coordinator of the freshwater group of the Circumpolar Biodiversity Monitoring Program, as well as a co-chair of the Freshwater Biodiversity Observation Network of GeoBon. I am a freshwater ecologist. I study organisms that live in lakes and rivers, particularly macroinvertebrates, which are bugs and worms and snails, that sort of thing. And I do a lot of work looking at biodiversity and the relationship of biodiversity to climate change, particularly in Arctic freshwater systems. Some of the things we've been finding is there's a very strong relationship between, for example, the aquatic insects and temperature in these systems. So we expect there's going to be a lot of changes in the future as the Arctic continues to warm at the aggressive rate that we're currently seeing with climate change. I tend to do a lot of collaborative work. I love working with other researchers. I love the way that we can help each other. We can use our different strengths together to build a very strong collaboration. A lot of the Arctic work I do, for example, involves collaborators from all Arctic countries. It's been really important to work with other researchers to really see how far we can take this and what kind of information we can find out. I've been very lucky in my career to have so much support from the people I've worked from. So, even though there are, of course, challenges being a woman in science, lots of different challenges that we have to deal with, it's been wonderful to have support from people I've worked for as well as collaborators. And that's really an important thing if you want to be a woman moving forward in science is finding those people that you can work with, collaborate with, and who will support you with every step you take. In terms of advice for people to be more environmentally aware, just going out and learning more about what's happening, learning more about how these ecosystems are affected by climate change is really, really important. But doing what you can in terms of contributing to citizen science initiatives, contributing to helping to collect data in areas where it's difficult to access. It's a great thing for the Arctic. We really look to getting help from people to help collect data so that we can understand what's happening in these ecosystems.